Today is a school day.
The students arrived early.
I am ready to learn. Good morning, Emma.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, Miss Sarah.
Please sit down.
Please down.
Today, we will learn English.
I like English lessons. I have my notebook.
The lesson began. Please listen carefully.
I know the answer.
What is this word? What is this word?
It means book.
Very good, Emma. Everyone worked hard.
I can help you.
Good job, everyone.
This is my pencil. 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 This is fun.
Look at the board. The students wrote carefully. Now let's play a game.
Yay! Yay! I want to play. The answer is apple.
Excellent! Everyone enjoyed the game. This is exciting! This is exciting! Who knows this one?
Who knows?
Let me think.
They work together. You are doing well.
This is my school. That is correct.
Let's review. Time passed quickly.
Hello, how are you? I am writing English. I like drawing.
Very nice work. Very nice work. Thank you, teacher. Ooh, teacher. The lesson was almost over.
Class is finished. I learned many new words.
See you tomorrow.
Goodbye, Miss Sarah. Have a nice day. See you tomorrow, Emma.
The classroom became quiet.
The school day ended. What happened in the class? The students learned, practiced English, and had fun together.